Hello, my friends. We're doing the one-day reading for Thursday, December 16th, 2021. The date and time today is December 13th, 2021, 8:26 p.m. All right, so for Thursday the 16th, the theme and overall behavior is a sharp decline. That's the Tower card, just a big decline card. Behavior around the high is going to be sort of like a triangle, like a poke, and like a not a poke, like a, let's say, an isosceles or something. And there's also going to be highlighted around that time an agreement between two leaders or a merger of some kind. Behavior around the low, there's going to be a sharp decline to the low. It's the Ace of Cups in the low position. We've been seeing that a lot. I saw that in the low for Wednesday, and I saw that in the trade card position for Monday the 13th. It's also on Friday at the low. So this is significant. Either we're meeting the same low, like if we open above our low from the prior day, then we probably meet the same low. But more likely, it's just a continuation of a decline, like cups, all at the bottom. It's very interesting to me. I've never seen that many in a row in the same position. So with that said, it's also a U-shape. There'll be some sort of U-shaped dip in there around the low. Okay. We have some news that comes out right before the open in the pre-market. And there's a move higher because as a result of that. But right around the open, we have a sharp decline. There's a flight to safety. And it looks like an opportunity possibly to cash in on something here. We have more decline. Congress is highlighted around Congress is highlighted around 10 to 11 o'clock. There's a male leader that's highlighted around the same time. And there's a sharp decline as a result of the male leaders, a move to the downside, a correlation to the Tower card as well, and a low correlator. So there's a different notable trough in there. It looks like it's likely going to be it's one or two troughs. Hard to determine right now, but it's one or two troughs, and they take place between like roughly 10 and 12 o'clock. All right, and then we have move higher along a diagonal trend line to break a resistance level, and then meet another resistance level before pulling back. That takes place roughly somewhere around. And these moves higher aren't going to be like very significant, just to be clear, because it's such a sharp down day. Like moves in the opposite direction of the theme card, and in most cases are not going to be as prominent as moves in the same direction in most cases. So there's a sharp decline and a move higher along a diagonal support level or a diagonal trend line to break a resistance level, meet another resistance level, and then pull back probably to the first level. And that all takes place between 12 and 1. There's a high correlator here that all takes place between 1 and 2, excuse me. And then there's a high correlator between 2 and 3, but a sharp decline out of that as well. And then we have a support level that is reached and a trade opportunity. Yeah, there's some bullish rotation along the support level in the last hour, and it's an opportunity to trade as well. So there's an opportunity to trade in the first half hour. There's an opportunity to trade in the last hour. We have 3 pokes through a resistance level, followed by a sharp decline in the right around the close, and then we have a revisiting of a past opportunity at a low again in the post-market close and post-market. And the following day is going to be the theme will be something, or the highlight will be something having to do with the cross back and forth between the same price level 3 times, confirming a bullish trend. It appears there's an opportunity for me to purchase protection in the form of puts somewhere around like it's the first half hour. But if you're following the prior day, we were positioned for both sides of the market, and it looks like that might be a good idea because this does look like it could be a little bit of a tricky day towards the end of the day, especially. Well, towards the middle of the day, I should say. With that said, guys, I hope this has been helpful. The best way to utilize this information is to take it, put it side by side with the live chart, and it's going to answer questions that technical analysis it's not able to answer. And in some cases, questions that technical analysis creates. And this isn't going to, the SOMET is not going to tell you everything, but when you combine it with technical analysis, it's like X plus Y. You got both X and the Y. So the Z becomes very easy versus everybody classically is just working with an X, no Y, trying to figure out the Z. Much more difficult. All right, guys. So I hope this is helpful. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and let me know what's going on, guys. Let me know how you like these readings and if they've been helpful and all that. Best of luck to you. Blessings. I'll see y'all later.